Welcome to Arjuna Government Exams Quiz. Today's current affairs. Let's begin. அர்ஜுனா அரசு தேர்வு வினாடி வினாவிற்கு வரவேற்கிறோம். இன்றைய நடப்பு நிகழ்வுகள். தொடங்குவோம். Question 1. At what age does an infant typically achieve good head control, holds head steady when pulled to sitting? The correct answer is 4 months. Good head control, where the infant can hold their head steady when pulled to a sitting position, is typically achieved around 4 months of age. சரியான பதில் 4. Question 2. A social smile, a key developmental milestone, typically appears in an infant by which age? The correct answer is 2 months. A social smile, where an infant smiles in response to a friendly face or voice, is a common developmental milestone observed around 2 months of age. சரியான பதில் 2. Question 3. Most children begin to walk independently by what age? The correct answer is 12 months. While the range can be between 9 to 18 months, most children typically take their first independent steps and begin walking around 12 months of age. சரியான பதில் 12. 9-18-12. Question 4. The pincer grasp, using thumb and index finger to pick up small objects, typically develops around what age? The correct answer is 9 months. The pincer grasp, a fine motor skill involving the precise use of the thumb and index finger, usually develops around 9 months of age. சரியான பதில் 9. Question 5. Physiological jaundice in a full-term neonate typically appears after how many hours of life? The correct answer is 24 to 72 hours. Physiological jaundice in a full-term neonate typically appears after 24 hours of life, peaks around 3 to 5 days, and resolves within 1 to 2 weeks. Jaundice appearing within 24 hours is usually pathological. சரியான பதில் 24 முதல் 72 வரை. 24, 3 முதல் 5 வரை, 1 முதல் 2 வரை. 24. Question 6. Which of the following is not a component of the Apgar score? Apgar. The correct answer is blood pressure. The Apgar score assesses appearance, skin color, pulse, heart rate, grimace, reflex irritability, activity, muscle tone, and respiration, breathing effort. Blood pressure is not a component. சரியான பதில் Apgar. Question 7. Respiratory distress syndrome, RDS, in neonates is primarily caused by a deficiency of which substance? RDS? The correct answer is surfactant. Respiratory distress syndrome, RDS, in premature neonates is primarily due to insufficient production of surfactant, which reduces surface tension in the alveoli and prevents lung collapse. சரியான பதில் RDS. Question 8. Early onset neonatal sepsis typically presents within how many hours of birth? The correct answer is 72 hours. Early onset neonatal sepsis typically presents within the first 72 hours of life, often within 24 to 48 hours, and is usually acquired vertically from the mother. சரியான பதில் 72. 72, 24 முதல் 48 வரை. Question 9. The BCG vaccine is given to protect against which disease? The correct answer is tuberculosis. BCG, Bacillus calmette-guerin, vaccine is primarily administered to protect against severe forms of tuberculosis, especially in infants and young children. சரியான பதில். Question 10. DPT vaccine provides protection against which 3 diseases? The correct answer is diphtheria, pertussis, tetanus. DPT vaccine is a combination vaccine that protects against diphtheria, pertussis, whooping cough, and tetanus. சரியான பதில். Question 11. According to the National Immunization Schedule, the first dose of measles, or MMR, vaccine is typically given at what age? The correct answer is 9 months. The first dose of measles vaccine, or measles rubella MMR, is typically administered at 9 months completed age according to the National Immunization Schedule. சரியான பதில் 9. 9. Question 12. Which of the following vaccines is given as a zero dose at birth according to the National Immunization Schedule? The correct answer is OPV. Oral polio vaccine, OPV, and hepatitis B vaccine are typically given as zero doses at birth to provide early protection. சரியான பதில். Question 13. Which Indian state recently utilized an AI-powered CCTV 360 system to recover stolen vehicles? 30. The correct answer is Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh's AI-powered CCTV 360 system has been instrumental in recovering stolen vehicles, demonstrating the use of advanced technology in law enforcement. சரியான பதில். 30. Question 14. Which state government recently signed an MoU with Amazon to establish 5 rest stops for gig workers? MoU. The correct answer is Telangana. The Telangana government recently signed an MoU with Amazon to establish 5 rest stops in Hyderabad for gig workers, providing them with essential amenities. சரியான பதில். Question 15. The European Union and the United Kingdom recently imposed joint sanctions on Russia primarily due to concerns over which type of activities? The correct answer is cyber attacks. The EU and UK imposed joint sanctions on Russia in response to a series of malicious cyber activities, warning of an intensified, hybrid campaign. சரியான பதில். Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Arjuna Government Exams Quiz for a new quiz every day. பார்த்ததற்கு நன்றி. தினமும் ஒரு புதிய வினாடி வினாவிற்கு அர்ஜுனா அரசு தேர்வு வினாடி வினாவை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் செய்யுங்கள்.